Time to get hungry for peas. They are a great crop to grow over the winter period. Now, often you will find pea seedlings in the nursery. However, don't bother with these. Head straight for the seed aisle and pick up a packet of open pollinated seeds. In terms of spacing, I typically plant mine just under the surface at around 1 centimetre deep and 20 centimetres apart. Now, peas need something to climb up, so install a frame prior to planting. That way you won't damage them when they start growing. I'm using this jute twine netting. What is great about this product is that it is compostable, so you can cut it down and throw it into the compost bin, vine and all. Then it's a matter of watering. Just make sure they don't dry out when the flowers start to appear. Peas will take several months before you will see beautiful white flowers that will turn into seed pods. Pick these young and pick them often, as this encourages more growth. These are great to eat straight away and can be frozen to store. I love mine added to a risotto on a cool spring evening, or best yet, right here in the garden as a late afternoon snack.